Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I have to take my cluster back out just because the bulbs weren't lighting up in certain parts of the cluster. So if you look here, these are all working. It's like 2 or 3 bulbs here, there's one down here, but there's a kind of a dark spot right here because there's no bulb that's like lit up through there. And then it's also like in this general area, but I'm gonna go and take this cluster out and then probably put like a pink in between with new buckets because I think it's not making contact with the board. So hopefully that works out. But yeah, here we go. Oh, and you guys, I just wanted to say it's always easier if you have a quick release and a hub to do this, just for the fact that you don't have to deal with the steering wheel. So I'm gonna get started, and if you look right there, there's a tab here and a tab there. You just go ahead and pop those out with a screwdriver. You can use your hand if you can, but I always find it easier to use a screwdriver. Alright, so I got that out. There's a screw here, another one here, and then one down here, so those gotta come out, but I've already pulled these 2 out, so now I just gotta pull these. But be extra careful when you pull these, because what tends to happen is you loosen the screw and it just goes and falls like down there somewhere. You have to either, hopefully it falls to the floorboard or it just gets stuck and you have to go and get a magnet or something. So alright, so here's what I was talking about. So if I were y'all, just unloosen it and then go ahead and magnet on a stick and it comes right out, so you don't have to worry about it falling or whatever. But this next step is the biggest pain in my ass, and it is pulling the cluster and trying to undo these broken ass tabs. So there's 3 of them right here, 1, 2, and then 3. But I guess the previous owner just kept popping it out and like broke the tabs, so I'm really struggling with this. So y'all can watch me struggle with this right now. Got one. That's what I'm talking about, guys. And this last one's gonna be a little bitch, but whew. Alright. Okay, so this next part for you guys, I'm gonna show you right here. So I've already taken this piece off just for the fact that I plan on going back in the cluster and trying to get something fixed. But there is a plastic piece on here that just sits literally like that over the cluster, and there's only, should be 4, but 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright guys, so I'm back in the car. Hopefully it works. Like I said, if this cluster doesn't work at this point right now, me just putting it in, I'm not gonna care. I'm just gonna ride it out until I get a new cluster. This one's kind of old and the tachometer hasn't really worked like it's supposed to, so it's fine with me to get another one at this point. Alright guys, so here's the cluster. As you guys can kind of see, there's one bulb out here and I think there's one out here. It's kind of dim, but yeah, for the most part it's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see more, just let me know. Hit me up on Instagram at David Blake with 2 E's at the end. See you guys later. Peace.